Hello students, today we will learn how to do one activity based on basic proportionality theorem. So we have here activity 1 and you have to follow up the following steps to complete the activity. Everything you have to do it, I have just given you guidance. First thing, you have to draw a triangle PQR of any measurement and take any point A on side PQ. So this measurement you can take of your own choice. You can take little bigger triangle. So it will be easy for you to take anywhere point A on side PQ. Diagrammatically also I have tried to show you. Here is a triangle PQR. You can decide the measurement of it of your own choice, and you have to take a point A on your side PQ, as you can see. Then as you see angle PAB green color, what we need to do that? Draw an angle at point A, as you have seen, congruent to angle PQR. Means you need to construct angle PQR congruent to angle PAB, green one with blue one. I hope you know how to construct angle congruent to given angle without using protractor. The video is given to you simultaneously. You can watch that and then you can perform this step on the triangle. So when you draw a triangle PQR congruent to PAB, so B will be a point lying on side PR as it is shown in the figure. You need to tell us a relation between segment AB and side QR with the justification. You have to give reason why these two are so and so and why it is. You have to give the reason. You may have one reason, you may have two answers and two different reasons. All are accepted. Then you have to measure the length of segment PA, AB, PB and BR. The best way you can use pointer, take the measurement exact of the diagram what you have constructed on the paper, and then with the pointer you can check it out on a scale how it is. So you will get more precise one, and that you note it down. So all the four segment length you have got it. After that, fifth point, you have to find out the ratio of PA and AQ. PA to AQ means PA upon AQ. Similarly, PB upon BR. Convert them in decimal form. You will see that they are approximately same, equal. You might be getting it decimal form. You can go till 2 digit, 3 digit and return back. You will get the approximately same value. So let us conclude it with your justification. Similarly, you can find out the ratio of QA to AP and ratio of RB to BP. Write your conclusion with justification. Clear? For example, I had given one measurement for y'all. You can consider this measurement also for construction this, or you can choose this of your own. This I have given from my side. You want, you can take this also and try. Otherwise you can take your own measurement and try, but the end result will be same. I hope you will enjoy doing this activity and you learn the concept very well. This also will be used as a practical of maths. So it can be both activity as well as practical. So enjoy yourself and see you soon to discuss the activity. Bye.